Question is, so that points A, B, C, D are the vertices of square ABCD. In this question, we have to prove that ABCD are vertices of square ABCD. For any quadrilateral to be square, it is necessary that all sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. So AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD and diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. So we have to find AB, BC, CD, AD and length of both diagonals in this question by using distance formula. So AB, length of AB equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So square root of 3 minus 6, 3 minus 6 whole square plus 5 minus 0 whole square equal to 3 minus 6 is minus 3 square, 5 minus 0 is 5 square. This is equal to minus 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. So this is equal to root 34 unit. Okay. Now we find length of BC by using same distance formula. BC 6 minus 1 plus 0 minus plus 3 whole square equal to 6 minus 1 is 5, 0 plus 3 is 3, 5 square is 25 or 3 square is 9. This is equal to square root of 34 unit. Next is CD equal to square root of CD 1 minus plus 1 plus 2 whole square, y coordinate minus 3 minus 2 whole square equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 square minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 square equal to 3 square is 9 minus 5 square is 25. This is equal to square root of 34 unit. Next is AD. Next is AD, square root of A and D. AD 3, x coordinate is 3 minus plus. So 3 plus 2 whole square. Y coordinate is 5. Y coordinate is 2. 5 minus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 square. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 square equal to 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9. This is also equal to square root of 34 unit. Next side is AD. AB, BC, CD, AD. So all sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Now we find length of diagonal AC. Diagonal AC equal to square root of, same by using distance formula, x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. AC, A, x coordinate is 3, C, x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 5, minus y coordinate is minus 3, minus minus plus 3. Here 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 square is 4. 8 square is 64. 4 plus 64 is 68 unit. Next, diagonal BD. Diagonal BD by using distance formula, square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. तो diagonal BD x coordinate is 6 minus D x coordinate minus 2 minus minus plus 2, y coordinate is 0, D y coordinate is 2. So this is equal to 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 square, 0 minus 2 is minus 2 square. This is equal to 8 square, 64 minus 2 square, 4. 64 plus 4, square root of 68 unit. So AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, and diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD equal to diagonal BD. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, and diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. Hence ABCD are vertices of square ABCD. Yeah, hence ABCD is स्क्वायर। तो सिंपल क्या था इसमें, आपको कॉन्सेप्ट क्या था, आपको प्रूव करना था एबीसीडी स्क्वायर। एबीसीडी स्क्वायर कब होगा, स्क्वायर की प्रॉपर्टी, स्क्वायर की क्या प्रॉपर्टी है, स्क्वायर की प्रॉपर्टी है ऑल साइड्स होती हैं आपके इक्वल, तो आप ऑल साइड्स की लेंथ फाइंड कीजिए, वो आपकी इक्वल आएंगी। उसके बाद स्क्वायर में आपके डायगोनल भी इक्वल होते हैं, तो डायगोनल भी इक्वल। यहाँ पर हमारा ऑल साइड्स इक्वल आई, स्क्वायर रूट 34, स्क्वायर रूट 34, स्क्वायर रूट 34, स्क्वायर रूट 34, और फाइनली डायगोनल्स आर आल्सो इक्वल। सो एबीसीडी इज स्क्वायर है।